Today,
bad bitch, I could be a fantasy. I can tell you got big, deep energy. It ain't too many niggas that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this pussy like a melody. And if your bitch ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many niggas that can handle me. Bad bitch, I could be a fantasy. Tell me how you want it. 3, 2, 1 and I'm on it. Feel good, don't it?
today we are debating what our day is gonna look like, whether we run away.
We're going surfing.
I want to go tan, but I also would rather not get tsunami. So today was supposed to be like a beach day, but then we saw the tsunami warning.
And you're going to see it right here. This is in South Pacific. It exploded in that violent eruption. The satellite video that caught it.
That doesn't look too good. Okay, so my take is I just would rather not fuck with the tsunami warning, and I would rather just go wait at a coffee shop for a few hours because it's only 8. But I have a feeling Jack's gonna want to go surfing.
Yep, it's the safest place in the water.
Dude.
Sure.
You don't know anything about tsunamis.
Float right over it. You guys can enjoy your coffee and I'll be getting a barrel.
Jaw-dropping eruption. That's what they're calling this.
Let's see.
I think we're fine.
I agree. But
I actually do think we're fine.
I think we're fine, yes.
I think that who needs to worry is like Tonga itself. But if there's like a tsunami here, it's not gonna be a tsunami.
Oh, but yeah, Tonga's from the south side too.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, so it hit the south.
Oh, would?
Yeah.
So we shouldn't go south. We should stay.
Yeah.
Is it actually really far?
Yeah.
Oh, let me
like
see.
California is all the way over here. We're here. It's all the way down here.
Oh.
That's like miles and miles and miles away.
Oh, okay.
It's
I
literally-
actually thought it was closer.
Me too.
I thought it was way closer.
We're on the opposite side.
Yeah.
We're fine. Beach day it is. Beach day.
Beach day, and if a tsunami takes us,
Then that's it. If we're meant to go, we're meant to go. That's where I'm at.
sorry, Meredith.
That was good. That cleared me out.
Chase that high that you provide.
We are getting a little bit, not even slow start to the morning.
We've been up since sunrise.
Yeah, we've been up since.
That is sick.
Hello, Aviator Nation.
Wait a minute, stop what we're doing, because I got to tell
Alright,
you.
so Dean and I have kind of just been roaming around this morning. We went to Coffee Gallery, got some coffee, then we went to Farmer Barn, got a burrito, and I was so hangry. I don't even want to put in any of the footage of me talking. I even right now just sound so monotone and like, But I think it's gonna take a minute for me to come back down from that. I don't know what just happened. Anyways, everybody's at the beach right now, so I feel like I'm just excited to go to the beach. But we did actually get the chance to check out Aviator Nation, which they have a store on the North Shore. If you guys ever come to Oahu or anything, you can even shop them online. But they gave us a little goodie bag, and we're gonna open that later. Right now, going to the beach. Dean? Yeah. She's so on brand. It's funny.
Guys, this is real, authentic, and genuine. I wear this in public, I swear.
I don't practice Santeria. I ain't got no crystal ball. I had $1 million, but I'd spend it all if I could find that Hina in that Sancho that she's bound. Well, I'd pop a cap in Sancho and I'd slap her dead.
up, brother? What's good? How was it today?
It was pretty good. Beautiful day. Crystal blue water and tubes all everywhere.
Surfed for like 4 hours. Look at Jack right now.
Stoked.
You look so cute in there.
I'm stoked, brother.
We have a cowboy. Nothing like being cringe at Pride. Oh shit, didn't see that.
No, I'm already here. I'm already going.
Man, shift. Yeah.
You guys are so dramatic.
You on 3. 1, 2, 3. No, you.
Silence.
That was so depressing.
Oh my gosh, I officially, I think, had some color. The kind bowl, if you ever go to Bonsai.
No, okay. Actually, Almoana. It's the best.
So good. Alright, we're back home. Everyone's about to walk in, but just had so much fun at the beach. Got some Bonsai bowl. We're gonna get ready for dinner, and we have like this film premiere that we're going to, which is gonna be sick.
Rising from my bed with pain, I hope that one day I'll feel better. Living every day on the same. I've seen my life with us together.
Oh my god. You guys. Oh my god, I can't handle it. Stop. Jack, would you take one of all 3 of us?
Yeah, of course.
Wait, take it like this.
You got the time that you needed, You got the heart that you see.
Okay, the sun is set. Oh my gosh, I love when you do your makeup and you actually like it. Like, I feel like that hasn't happened in a long time. Mare brought that up and I was like, okay, true. Just feels so good when you like thoroughly enjoy how you're looking. Dean's the one that introduced me to Aviator, BT dubs. Okay, so first, I actually bought these today, but because they actually gifted me so much stuff, it's just like, I actually wanted a pair of sweatpants. They feel super comfy. This, this one says surf naked.
You will not be wearing this in public, will you?
What?
Surf naked?
Oh, are these for you?
No way.
Wait,
I freak out.
this is for you.
No way.
Probably.
Shut up.
Right? It says, this one says enjoy the ride. Oh, wait, I actually was gonna buy these in the store. Look at these smiley face sweatpants. Oh my gosh, another pair of sweats. And then a little zip up too.
No way.
A bikini? No, they didn't.
No, they didn't. They didn't have to do this.
Are you matching?
Shut
That's
up.
so sick.
Thank you, Aviator Nation.
So sick. I'm gonna link this stuff below if you guys want to shop it. But tomorrow, I think I might vlog tomorrow as well. Just stay on the lookout for that. Or I don't know, whatever. Either way, thank you guys for watching. It has been an amazing day. It's Dean's last night, so we're all gonna go hang out with some friends and just enjoy life, because that's all you can do. Enjoy the ride.
Enjoy the ride.
My camera died, but that's all I had to say.
I need time sleeping at the ocean.
Lexi and I are starting a swear jar.
Forgiveness.
When we fill it up enough, we will pick a charity to donate the money to.
That's fun.
That is so fun.
So
That's
fun.
But then I'm gonna want to swear. Like I'm like.
I know. I'm like.
I'm gonna get my bathing suit on and then just wait it out for like a few hours, I think, because
Alright, well now you're making me paranoid about surfing, so come on.